Good evening, Cheap Dave here. It's Saturday the 8th of April. I'm heading up the far end of Jomtien to go and watch a bit of football, and then I'm heading up Mo's new restaurant where she's working. They're having the official opening night tonight, so a little bit of a party, but I'm going to go and watch a bit of football first and then pop up there for a couple of beers. So just waiting for the Bolt taxi to arrive, and I'll head over that way and then find a bar where there's football on. So I booked the motorbike taxi. I think this is him turning up now, so we'll be on our way to go and watch football. So we're heading towards the road down by the beach. We'll have a look at what it's like there. It's just gone about 6:15. Man United Everton starts at 6:30. Just starting to rain a little. Waiting for me. Get there before it starts properly. Down to my favourite 7-Eleven. Lights have gone on in the tree, and we're on Beach Road. A lot of people down on the beach. Came down here yesterday to go through immigration. So today's taxi is going to cost me about 70 baht, I think it is, so that'll be about £2.50, something like that. So £2. Lifeguard, just got a couple of boats here, and then they're out playing volleyball. Probably a lot of wind noise, so you might miss what I'm saying mostly, which isn't a bad thing. A few bars here, look, got the old weed farm. Might as well video the whole journey because it's only going to be a couple of minutes more. very loud. Now this little area here, where these car parks are, is usually people doing exercise, and there they are. Here we have the police station. So this is entry road into Jomtien. You're coming from that way usually on the bar bus. And there is a bar bus. So we seem to be riding away from the dark cloud, so looks like I've avoided the rain. A bit of a bad junction, they don't want to let anyone out. So he just has to force his way through. Right, so we're at a sign just coming up to Jomtien Pattaya. Quite a few people out on the beach, it's nice and cool. Sitting having picnics, drinking. Then we've got the bars this side, so we'll have a little look at them. I stayed last time I was in Jomtien. That's your Soi 5, which is for the immigration. Then it's mainly shops, bars, hotels, restaurants. We're going down as far as Soi 12, and that's where I'm hoping to find the football. A little bit quieter down this end. So I'm not sure what soil we're down to at the moment. Must be getting somewhere close. We've got the night market there, food market. can't be much further down here now. Got the bank there. We've got 7-Eleven there, we've got the shrine over the road and the Grand Jomtien Palace. So this is side 12. Going to be getting off in a minute and trying to look for a bar that does the football. That'll be okay here. Okay, thank you. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video. My ride here to side 12. So thanks for watching. Be back with some more junk the next day. Bye bye.